Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these two designs. So, as you requested, I put around these sort of thicker extra lines going between our sentence circle and our word circle to kind of help with that stacking. And this line here is actually another decoration line. It doesn't end on this letter, so it doesn't count for it. But other than that, everything in this design is an aspect of how it is translated. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and read them. So, this script, you start at the bottom and you go counterclockwise like a time traveler going back in time, or you start at this start marker, which conveniently these two designs have that start marker, which means you can rotate them any which way and you can still figure out where to start. So here on this design, we start at the bottom and go counterclockwise. The first thing we hit is an A. An A is a little guy outside of our word circle like this. Here it is in the key. And then we have a double letter. A double line is a double letter, and the same thickness means the same letter twice. So here we have one line sticking on the double N. So we have N's have one line. And then an I has a line going inwards towards the middle. So these double N's can be stacked, or do I have my caps lock on? Why isn't it stacking? I don't think it knows how to stack. Anyway. And then we can also have the I stacked inside the double N, and I'm pretty sure that these stack if they're not caps. Yay! I has a line going inwards towards the middle of the word circle, bam, which is shown here. And then we have another circle inside the word circle. So here's inside the word circle, here's outside the word circle. And a K has two dots, 1, 2. And then we have another A outside the word circle. So bottom counterclockwise, A, double N, I, K, A. And then we have this one here, starting at the bottom, going counterclockwise. We have an E, which is on the line of our word circle. Then we have this shallow divot with 1, 2, 3 lines ending on it. Lines that pass through it do not count. Only lines that end on it count. You see, lines count where they end on a letter stem. And then we continue around. Here we have a P. And while this is only like one line in the P instead of the 2 lines shown here, again, lines count where they end on a letter stem. So this line here counts at this point and at this point, which is why this, if you were to continue it, would still be 2 lines because it counts here and it counts here. Lines count when they end on a letter. And here's another E, just like that E, and then another N with 1 line on it, just like these N's here. So anyway, that's Annika and Espen. I hope you like it. And this font, you can find... Why can't I remember? Is it Macaco who did this? I'd feel real bad if I credited the wrong person. I think it's Macaco. Or Impronounceable. Anyway, on the Gallifreyan Reddit, you can find the thing to get the thing. If you're interested, comment in the video. I will do the proper citation and stuff. But yeah, I'll also do the proper citation in my next video because I'm going to go check that before I do the next one. So yeah, that is that.